coils that may have degraded. Delta T manager?
Is that all back now? Are they all back now?
All energy
Yes,
valves are
all
back.
our energy valves are back there. Yeah. I've had some questions as to whether we were going to offer Islam or not. Not that I know of. Never say never, but I would say it's close to never. Then we also have the Delta T manager that I mentioned a little bit earlier that, you know, if you're dropping below a set point Delta T that you've selected, it will take over, and what it's doing, it's not allowing you to flow more water through the coil than you can get benefit out of. So, you know, you may have a coil that just can't handle the demand. So for example, the DDC system may continue to call for more and more water flow, and you may get more water flowing through the coil, but once your delta T starts dropping, that's just signifying that even though you're flowing more water, you're not getting any benefit out of that extra water. So what are you doing there? You're wasting pump energy because you're pumping more than you can use.
So does that have to work in conjunction with like a VFD on your chill water loop? If you're on like a constant volume loop, what do you do?
You don't have to use a VFD. We say a VFD is beneficial anywhere. You don't have to use a VFD with this.
If you start choking down your flow, you're gonna have some problems on a constant volume system without.
The idea of a pressure independent system anyway is that you're going to have VFDs, and this is a pressure independent valve.
Yeah.
Like you can't have a pressure independent system without VFDs. It's just not going to work. You could install some of these on a pressure dependent system, but obviously you couldn't install your whole system this way. Otherwise, you are going to choke your system up because there are two-way valves.
Right. And then additional resources, as we talked about earlier, you know, we have the website, we have our customer support people. There's the website again. You know, training, online training, other credit courses. That was it for the official portion of